taking your class today, because tomorrow again I won't be able to take your class, as there is an ASL speaking assessment which goes for a whole day. If I could manage to finish it, tomorrow we have period at 1 o'clock. No, tomorrow we have a period at 12 o'clock.
Sir, 12 o'clock.
Yes, yes. So, yes. Okay. Then there is no chance of my taking your period tomorrow. Okay. So I thought that this is the best opportunity today to talk to you about your project. And I am happy that you gave suggestions, though all the suggestions were similar. You all wanted to prepare a PPT.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it's fine.
Yes,
In
sir.
an online class, it is okay. If you do PPT, PowerPoint presentation is prepared. If it is prepared very nicely, then fine, we can go ahead with that. Now, what you will do? Prakhar Modi has a different suggestion. What is that, beta?
Sir, I have one more. Sir, we can do English role play.
That is the best thing I always prefer doing, because there we have the best learning. But the problem is you are all sitting at homes. Okay. So how will it be possible for you to prepare a role play and perform it here?
So we did it in Hindi. Hindi
Yes,
also.
The way of Sir
Yes, sir.
Samvad.
It's a
Yes, sir.
That you can do sitting 2, 3, whatever is the group that you form. So whatever number of members are there, they can all turn their cameras and mics on, and sitting at their place, they can interact. So this
Yes,
way that can be done. But then there won't be that any action kind of thing. It will only be sitting at one place and
Yes,
speaking.
sir.
Yes, sir. No
So
action.
that expression part will be missing, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
That expression part
Yes,
will be
sir.
missing. Yes, if then also if somebody is willing, I have no problem. I will allow you to do that. If there is a group and they have decided or they want to do and they can do it nicely, I have no problem. I have already done this in 11th class, where students have recorded a very nice play, and that was done very nicely. So that way, if you wish, you can do. I will further guide you. So the option is open for all. If you want to go for role play, it's not role play. It will only be a live interaction. Okay. But that will be scripted. You will prepare a script and do. So if you want to do, I have no problem. And the other thing that you have suggested is the major part of your class, or most of the students of your class have suggested to go for a PowerPoint presentation. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So let me talk to those who want to prepare a PowerPoint presentation, and then I'll talk to those who want to perform a play, a skit. It will not be a complete skit, but let us say skit. Okay, first you will have to prepare a script, form a group, do practice, and then perform here in the live class. Okay. So we'll talk about that also if you want. So for those who want to prepare a presentation, there are 2, 3 things that can be done. The first and the easiest thing for you will be to prepare a presentation of the same lesson that you have presented in that oral activity earlier. Presentations were already made. You can take the same lesson that you have earlier prepared, okay, and prepare a presentation on PowerPoint and show that in the class and submit it. This is one thing that you can do. Another thing is you can pick a topic from grammar that is there in our syllabus, or you can pick a topic of the writing section and prepare a presentation explaining that particular topic. Then you can present it here in the class and explain it to the class. So there will be a learning for rest of the class, and it will be a project for you. This is another way. Okay? Third thing, you can prepare a PowerPoint presentation of quiz. Perhaps you have done earlier. We were doing.
No,
No,
sir.
sir, but we do
No,
it
sir.
orally in the it orally.
No, that quiz can be prepared on a PowerPoint and then it can be conducted in the class. This is third option. Okay, so these three things are on PowerPoint. Fourth thing is you can take
Yes, sir.
you can take a story.
No, the quiz will be on grammar topic.
Yes, beta, it can be a grammar topic, it can be a topic from your writing section, or it can be any lesson of your book. Okay? These are the three options. And fourth is quiz. Quiz can also be there from either from grammar or from literature. Okay, you can form some good rounds in the quiz. You can think creatively and you can prepare some such very good, very interesting rounds, informative rounds, all based on your syllabus, and you can conduct that quiz in the class. I'll give time. So if you do that, it will be very informative and helpful for other students also. Okay? Have you understood all this that I've just suggested?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Somebody is asking, can we present and then quiz? So present means, suppose you are taking a topic, you are presenting it, and after your presentation is over, you want to ask some questions.
Yes,
Have I
sir.
understood it right? This is what you were asking?
Yes,
कौन
sir.
था ये?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Near
sir.
you.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो that
सर का नेट गया है कि मेरा नेट गया है?
सर को
सर,
मुझे भी लगा मेरा चला गया।
हाँ,
मुझे
मतलब
भी
नेट
ऐसे ही लगा।
मुझे लगा नेटवर्क स्लो है।
मुझे भी वही लगा सुबह से
हमारे तो लेफ्ट भी हो गया।
मैं तो फोन से कनेक्ट करने वाली
मतलब
थी।
मेरा होता रहता है ना।
सेम।
हाँ, फिर जब फिर मुझे पता चला सर को गया है। सर, सायराम सर।
सायराम सर। सर लीव करके ज्वाइन कीजिए।
अरे भाई सर,
No one is able to
नेटवर्क
hear.
गया।
सर का माइक भी फ्रीज है और वीडियो भी।
हाँ, उनका नेटवर्क
सर का नेट ही चला गया।
और क्या।
मुश्किल से तो क्लास ली आज।
उस वक्त तो मुझे लगा जैसे मेरा नेट चला गया, मैंने बार बार कनेक्ट किया फिर सही हो गया।
मुझे भी यही लगा था। नो मैम।
यार मुश्किल से तो क्लास लगती है।
अरे कोई सर से कह दो फोन लगा के।
सर लीव हो गए।
अब से
प्रेजेंटेशन बनाते हैं
ज्वाइन
के बाद खत्म।
शायद उनका नेट पैक खत्म हो गया तो वो एक अपने आप लीव हो गए।
स्कूल का वाईफाई चलता
ए,
होगा।
वो वाईफाई से
तो फिर
चलता है।
टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है।
हो सकती है।
आज अपन को बड़ी मुश्किल से एक क्लास मिली, वो उसमें भी
सायराम सर।
सायराम सर।
सायराम सर।
सायराम सर।
Sairam, sir.
See, the connection here is lost. Okay, Sairam. The connection here is lost, so I have joined through my cell phone. As soon as the connection comes back on this computer, I will rejoin from here. Okay, meanwhile, let us continue discussion. Something is coming. Perhaps it will.
Sure. Sir,
Sir,
we can conduct quiz on Google Form, sir.
I can see messages that the connection is lost. No, beta, no. On PowerPoint only. PowerPoint only, because I need a submission also. Whatever you do, if a quiz is conducted on Google Form, then you can't submit that. Okay? Perhaps I am able to join on computer once again, then I'll leave it here. But there is a problem of network. So if it is lost, yes.
सर इको आ रहा है सर लीव हो
सर
गए
लीव हो गए। हाँ नहीं है अभी
उन्होंने
क्लास
फोन से लीव करा
माइक
यार।
म्यूट है।
लैपटॉप से है या कंप्यूटर से?
हाँ
सायराम सर,
सायराम सर
अब वो कंप्यूटर से भी लीव हो गए।
हाँ सर
और
लीव हो
मैम
गए।
सर मोबाइल से कीजिए।
साईराम सर।
सायराम
सायराम सर।
सायराम सर
सायराम सर सायराम सर
सायराम सर हाँ
सायराम सर,
Can you hear me now?
यस
यस
सर।
सर।
यस सर।
यस सर।
सर
Okay. Then I'm continuing it on my cell phone. Let us not waste time by trying on computer. Okay. So we'll continue here. So beta, we are not doing it on Google Form. My preference will be to the presentation on PowerPoint that you can submit in soft copy and I can keep for the record. The record needs to be kept. Things need to be submitted of whatever you do. So if it is done in the form of PowerPoint, then it can be submitted. Okay. Google
sir.
Form, it won't be
Okay.
possible for you to submit that, and I can keep that as record. Another thing, if you do a role play kind of thing, then it should be video recorded, and then video recording needs to be kept in our record, in the school record, as your project. So that again will be a little bit a bigger challenge. Okay? So the best thing is if you prepare something, a topic of your choice on PowerPoint, that will be best thing. Yes, beta. Samriddhi, you are saying something.
सर अभी आपकी वॉइस सब
Samriddhi
कट
said
कट
something. Cut रही है?
यस सर
Have you understood what I said, others?
नो सर
सर थोड़ा थोड़ा सा हो रहा है।
यस सर वी
हैंग कर
अंडरस्टैंड।
रही थी।
Okay, fine. To some students it is clear, but not to all, right? To some students it is clear, but there are few who could not get it. No problem. I'll once again write it on the WhatsApp group also. So those who are able to listen to me clearly, what I want you all to do is, first thing, you decide whether you want to prepare your presentation individually or in pairs. It won't be a group of more than two. It is going to be a pair maximum, or you can do it individually. What would you like?
सर इंडिविजुअली
Very nice. Very nice.
सर
Very good.
इंडिविजुअल।
Okay.
इंडिविजुअली।
Okay. Fine. I'm happy. It's good that you want to do it individually. Now what you are supposed to do is, Acha, tell me, what topic would you like to take? Would you like to do the same lesson that you have presented earlier? Because you
No.
have done
No,
an
sir.
oral presentation.
Sir, grammar.
No,
Oh,
sir.
The
Would you like to
grammar.
For
the
grammar
same
topic.
lesson?
No.
Grammar topic.
Sir,
Sir,
grammar.
grammar. Sir, grammar portion.
No, everybody, see, there are three, four topics of grammar. So only 3, 4 students can take those. What about others?
सर मैं लेसन लेना
What about
चाहूंगी.
others?
Quiz.
Okay, good. So whatever you want to take, see, the offer is open. You can choose either from the lessons of the 2 textbooks that are there in your syllabus, or from the writing section, okay, or a topic of grammar. But what I want is nothing should be repeated, nothing should be taken, no same thing should be taken by 2 students. If everybody takes only one thing, then we'll have a variety of presentations, variety of explanations that is going to help everybody. If same thing is presented by 2, 3 students, then that presentation is not going to help rest of the class. When the class is sitting there and you are presenting the same thing again and again, so nobody will be benefited. Okay, so it is better to take a different topic. So now after 140, not now only, after 140, what I expect from you all is to write your topic on which you want to prepare a presentation in the English group, in our personal group. Okay,
sir.
not in the class group. Write your topic. See, suppose Ankush Yadav writes a topic. He is first to write that topic. That means this topic is already taken by him. Now nobody else can take. So before you type a topic, check if somebody else has taken before you or not. Okay? No topic is allowed to be repeated. Only one student can take one topic. And whoever writes it first, the topic goes to him.
Sir.
Is there anyone who just now wants to give the topic that I want to prepare a presentation
Sir,
on?
I want to give my
Yes,
topic.
sir. Sir, I want to. Yes. Sir, I
Yes.
want to.
Yes, Niyati. Speak.
Sir, I want to.
Okay, just a minute.
Also.
Just a minute. One by
Sir,
one.
I also.
Okay, fine. One by one. It was Niyati first, then okay.
Sir, may
Yes,
I?
yes, yes. I'm coming to everyone. I'm coming just a minute, beta. First was Niyati,
May I
second was Ninansha. Okay.
Sir, Samrati.
So I'll talk to Niyati first, then Samriddhi. Okay. Yes, Niyati. What is your topic?
Sir, direct and indirect speech narrations.
Good. Okay, beta. Very nice. It's a very good topic. I can allow 2 students to take this topic. Is there anyone else who wants to do on the same topic?
Saprakhar.
Aniket. It was Aniket who said first. Aniket,
Yes, sir.
you also want to take this?
Yes, sir. Direct and indirect speech.
So Niyati and Aniket. Niyati and Aniket will be preparing presentation on narrations. Okay? Direct and indirect speech.
Okay, sir.
That is done. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next is Ninansha.
Yes, sir. I want to take my topic from writing section. So I'm taking diary writing.
Okay, beta. Given. Then Samriddhi, then Prakhar.
Yes, sir. Sir, I want to take active and passive voice.
Okay, beta. Given.
Sir, may I tell you after some time, sir?
Prakhar.
Sir, after some childs, may I tell you my topic?
Sir, may I
After
tell?
some, no problem. No problem.
Wait.
But meanwhile,
Sir, may I
if
tell
topics are
Rishika?
taken by other students, then we are allowed to take the same thing.
Sir, may
Yes,
I tell
Palak.
Palak? Sir, may I take tenses?
Palak. Okay. One more student can take
So
tenses.
may I take
Sir,
my
Ankush.
lesson
Sir, may I
Wait.
September?
Sir, may I
Ankush.
Ankush?
Palak and Ankush are preparing on tenses.
नो सर, मेरे को मेरा अलग टॉपिक बताना था.
Palak, रुक जा. I'm talking about tenses. Other than Palak, who else wants to take tenses?
Arjun Kalawat.
Vedanti.
Okay.
संजय
Okay. Aryan Kalawat and Palak.
Okay, sir.
They are preparing on tenses.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yes, Rishika now. Rishika.
Sir, I want to take a lesson Princess September.
Okay. You can take that. Now, who else wants to give a topic?
Wait.
Sir, Ankush.
Shahid.
Sir, Ankush.
Wait.
First Ankush.
परेशान हो गए
तूने
सर.
बोला होता है मीटिंग लैब.
अरे वो कैमरा है माइक
लगता है उनका मोबाइल भी उन्हें परेशान करने लगा.
Saram, sir.
Sairam sir.
Ankush first and then Shahid.
Then Ved.
Sir,
Sir,
I will take
Ankush, बताओ.
Sir, I will take prepositions.
Ankush.
Sir, prepositions.
Prepositions. Okay. Now,
Sir,
हाँ ठीक है prepositions.
Sir, may I take
No. Shahid. After Ankush, Shahid.
punctuations?
Shahid. Okay. Fine.
The punctuations.
सर मैं
Okay, sir. What did you say?
Sir, Sanjay.
Punctuation.
May I-
What did you say?
The punctuations. So
No. Punctuation.
The
it is not
punctuation.
there. No. Take some other topic.
Sir,
Acha, wait a
so
minute,
I will
wait a
tell
minute.
you.
Wait. For the time being, I am allowing Shahid to prepare punctuations, but there is a possibility at last I may ask him to change. So keep punctuations, Shahid. We shall discuss afterwards. ठीक है. Okay, Shahid?
So मैं आर्टिकल भी ले सकता हूँ सर, आर्टिकल्स.
Okay.
So may I take articles?
Ved Shivare wants articles.
Sir, may I also?
But. These things are not there in your syllabus that we are covering this year. There is no harm, even if it is, see, if some topic of grammar is not there in a syllabus of your this class, still if you prepare a presentation and if you show that presentation to the class, any topic of grammar is helpful, isn't it? Any topic of grammar is helpful to the other students. So I have no problem, even if you are taking topics which are not there that we are covering this year. I have no problem. But let us first try to pick up the topics that are there in the syllabus. Okay? Articles is quite a simple thing, quite an easy thing, and the presentation is also going to be quite short. So if no other topic is left, then I will let you take articles. Meanwhile, try to take some other topic. Okay? Okay, Ved?
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Mayank Sahu wants
Sir, I
to
want
talk
to take
about adjectives.
phrases.
Huh? What do you want to take, Peter?
Sir, adjectives.
No, not that. Now I think we are done with the topics of grammar. Now start coming to literature.
So may I?
Start talking about literature.
So I have one
Yes.
more grammar topic. So may I take conjunctions? The conjunctions? May I?
We are not covering in this year's syllabus, Peter. But it's a very good topic. It's a very good topic. I have no problem if you explain that. Who is talking about conjunctions?
Sir, Prakhar.
Who is talking? Prakhar. चलो ठीक है, take it. Take it. Now come to literature.
Okay, sir.
Come to literature.
Vedanti. Sir, I want to change my topic.
What have you taken earlier?
Sir, a lesson Princess September. Now I want to take the letter to editor.
Letter to editor.
So,
Is it there in your syllabus?
take some phrases.
Take it.
Sir,
Okay.
sir, I want to
Yes,
change my
Ankush.
topic of prep. Sir, I want to take
What
change
was
my
it?
topic preposition. Preposition.
You have taken prepositions.
No, no, sir, I want to change it.
What have you taken first?
Sir, I have taken preposition, but I want to change it.
Now what do you want to take?
Sir, I will tell you later.
Okay.
Sir, may I take
Sir, so
No
then
problem.
may I
You
take
can all tell me
prepositions?
later. Who said?
Sir, may I take
Sarvagya.
prepositions or Sarvagya? Sir, prepositions.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes,
Sarvagya.
yes, okay.
Sir, but I said first.
Huh?
Sir, but I
Who said first?
No, Sir
Who
Sahil.
are you? Tell me your name.
Sir Sahil.
Sahil.
Yes, sir.
Okay. ठीक है, take prepositions. Sahil.
Sir, but I have taken that.
Both of you can prepare. Both of you can prepare.
Yes, sir.
I don't want a dispute here. Yes. Who else is remaining?
Ved.
Sir,
Mayank.
Mayank, beta, I said I don't want to give adjectives. Yes, Vedanti.
sir, may I
हाँ,
take
Mayank,
how
बोलो.
camel caught a sub?
Yes, yes. Yes, beta. Mayank, what have you taken? Not
Sir,
adjectives.
preposition.
Already given to two students. Already given to two students. Now not. Now this is not available. It is booked.
Sir, now may I take articles? Ved.
No.
Sir, notice
Now
writing.
talk about literature.
Sir, may I take story
Pranav,
writing?
Pranav.
Sir, may I take figures of speech?
Okay. Okay. But if you see, if you take figures of speech, there are so many figures of speech and there are few which are actually not discussed when you are in class 8. Okay. So take the most common figures of speech, not all.
Okay, sir.
Pranav.
Sir, may I take notice writing?
Yes, sir.
Ved.
I'm talking to one student beta at a time. I'm talking to Pranav. Is it clear what I said?
Yes, sir.
So whichever figures of speech you are preparing, just make a list of that and send it to me.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then I'll tell, okay, prepare these. Yeah. There's no need of taking all. There are so many. Yeah. So we'll take only useful ones, which are useful for the students of your class. Chalo, now who was talking?
Sir.
I will not allow any
Sir,
topic of grammar now. I want you to take lessons from literature now onwards. Yes. Yes, Arman.
sir, may I take, sir, letter writing?
I just gave it to somebody.
Okay, sir.
One girl was asking.
Sir,
Sir,
may I take
I
models?
said take a lesson from literature.
Can I take
sir, may I take Jordy's phone?
ना बेटा? Take any lesson of your choice. Sanjay Dhakkar, then Mayank.
Sir,
Sir, may I take models?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes, you can.
Sir, can I take notice writing?
Sanjay Dhakkar.
Yes, sir.
Me?
Sir, your voice is not clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is not clear.
Okay. I try to bring it close to me and then I'll speak. Am I clear now? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you are clear.
yes, sir, we can.
Okay. So there are few students who are left. Others have already taken. Now, whichever topic has been taken by you, just write it in that English group and send it there. So it will be there. I can note it down from there. Okay. Then otherwise, later on, there will be a problem who took which topic. So do one thing. As soon as this class is over, whichever topic is allowed, because most of the students have already taken and I have said yes to them. So those who have already taken can write their topic and send it in the class, in this English class group. Okay.
Sir,
Then we'll see who is remaining, who is left. Yes, beta.
sir, I could not send the topic after the class.
Which topic have you taken?
Direct and indirect speech.
Okay. So if you have some problem sending just after the class, you can send it some other time.
Okay, sir.
After the class doesn't mean only at 1:40. You can send at any time after 1:40.
Okay, sir.
It may even be evening. Did I say
Okay.
only at 1:40?
No, sir.
Any time after 1:40.
Sir, may I take
Sairam,
the
sir, can I take paragraph writing?
I said talk about literature only now. Only lessons from your textbook.
sir,
Sir,
may I
I
take
want
Okay, sir.
the
quiz
five?
on.
है ना बेटा? Because see, I want a complete variety. Okay, most of the students have taken topics from grammar. Some have taken writing section also, but hardly anyone. Only two students, Jodie's Fawn and Princess September. These two lessons have been taken by students.
सर प्रिंसेस सितंबर
है
तो
ना?
change कर दिया सर ऋषिका ने
हाँ
change कर दिया
क्या
सर ऋषिका ने
हाँ
अपना टॉपिक चेंज कर दिया है सर अभी तक 2 लेसन ही हुए हैं बस
हाँ दो ही हुए हैं ना कौन कौन से
हाउ द कैमल गॉट हिज hump एंड जॉडीज फॉन सर प्रिंसेस
Okay,
सितंबर
yes, she changed it.
सर अभी सत्यम ने
Yes,
भी
yes.
लिखा है top 5.
हाँ
सर
सत्यम ने चैट
सत्यम ने चैट बॉक्स में लिखा है द 5 ले रहा है.
the fight. Okay, yes, Satyam.
Okay, sir.
Satyam and the fight.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, I want to take quiz on the how the camel got his hump.
quiz on how camel got his hump. Very nice. Now we have got first student to take quiz. No one has yet opted for quiz. Good. Is there anyone else who can prepare a quiz with some interesting rounds?
Yes, sir. So may I?
So may I wait?
Sir, I am making that with the description of my grammar topic.
Yes, yes. See, for quiz, you have full freedom. For
So may I
quiz,
also-
you have full freedom. You just have to write quiz. You don't have to mention from this lesson or from that lesson. You can prepare quiz from anywhere from your syllabus.
Sir, can we add
ठीक
sir,
है?
can we add the quiz with our presentation?
See, you can add some questions with the presentation, but then there will be a limit. And if you are only preparing quiz, then it can be a big, longer quiz. Got it? See, whatever is your
Sir,
presentation.
I am taking quiz.
No problem. You can take. Just write it in the WhatsApp group. Just say, I'm taking quiz. See, whatever presentations you make, just take care of one thing. There will be a limit. Do not exceed, do not elongate it too much. Okay? It shouldn't be very long that once you start presenting, you are taking 10-15 minutes for one presentation. So whatever you present, try to finish that within 5 minutes. So if you
Okay,
are
sir.
presenting a lesson
Okay,
or a
sir.
topic, if you are presenting a lesson or a topic, so if you explain that thing in 4-5 minutes or 3-4 minutes, then you will hardly have 1 minute left for asking questions. But if you are preparing a quiz only, then the entire quiz will be of 5 minutes. So there you have a better
sir.
scope. Better scope. So if you want to prepare quiz, take only quiz and create some very good new innovative rounds and present those rounds, ask questions. Okay, so we will also get some good new creative ideas from students like you.
Sir, I have a
Because I
doubt.
mean, yes, beta.
So what is the last submission date?
अभी इसने काम का क्वेश्चन पूछा 139 पे. We are left with 1 minute. So the last thing is this only. How much time do you need to prepare? What is the date today? 21st.
So 5 days.
21st.
21st.
1st February. 1st February. 1st February.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I have got.
1st February. Now, see, what you are supposed to do is, as soon as your presentation is prepared, if somebody wants to present even before 1st of February, I have no problem. Because we hardly get periods, 2 periods in a week. So even if we start from 1st of February and if I take all presentations, it will take a long time. And probably we won't be able to finish that in time. So in that case, we will be required to take some extra classes. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
If we start
sir.
from 1st of
Yes, sir.
February. So if somebody manages to finish it before 1st of February, just tell me, I will allow you to present your whatever you have prepared.
Sir, may I?
Yes.
Sir, Samrit.
Sir, may I?
Sir, may I?
क्या
Niransha.
बोलो? Yes, beta, yes.
Sir, okay.
Sir, may
हाँ, one
I?
by one. हाँ बोलो.
Sir, Samrit.
हाँ बोलो.
Sir, Shahid.
What are you saying?
So
May
we
I
are
present
can we
And
present
Presentation.
They
Yes. You are most welcome. You are most welcome if you want to present. You are most welcome if you want to present before 1st. You are most welcome, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Sir,
See, when
we have to
when he asked this boy, I forgot the name, Aniket. He asked for the last date of submission. I said 1st of February. I did not say only on 1st of February. Like Niyati was asking one question. I said you can send the topics after 140 at any time, not only at 140. Similarly, not only on 1st of February, you can submit that before 1st of February also. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir, yes.
No, okay. Now I want one more thing, last thing. I want one very good stockist. Stockist, you understand? Who can keep the stock. Is there anyone in the class
Sir,
to whom all the presentations can be sent and can be stored at one place, and then I will collect all those presentations together from that student at the same time?
So we have to merge all the PPTs in one PPT.
No, not like that. You have to save all the PPTs in one folder. At one place.
Sir, Ankush.
may I
I'm happy that my good children, many of those are willing to take this responsibility. Aniket, I have already given you some responsibilities earlier, na?
No, sir.
Earlier I have given some responsibilities to you, as far as I remember.
So that attendance responsibility, sir.
Yes.
Chalo, ठीक है. I have an idea. What is the strength of your class?
Sir,
34. Sir, last second roll number.
ठीक है, चलो. Roll number 1 to 10. Roll number 1 to 10 will send their presentations. ठीक है, mail करना है आपको, mail. Will mail their presentations to
Ankush.
wait. चलो अंकुश, ठीक है. Okay, Ankush. Roll number 1 to 10 will send their presentations, mail their presentations to Ankush. Then roll number 11 to 20 will send their presentations to Prakhar. Prakhar. And then Niyati. Roll number 21 to 30 will send to Niyati. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
And roll number 31 to 34 will send to कौन बच गया? अनिकेत बच गया ना? अनिकेत.
सर उतने बच्चे तो आते ही नहीं लास्ट में।
यस सर, पूरे 34 तो आते ही नहीं है, आधे ही बच्चे आते हैं।
लास्ट के बच्चे हैं
जितने आते हैं आपके पास रिकॉर्ड रहेगा तो आप मुझे बता दोगे ना कितने आए हैं, ठीक है? अच्छा अनिकेत, आई एम गिविंग यू वन मोर रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी because I am here on cell phone, I am not on computer, so I cannot stop recording. You stop recording from your system.
Okay, sir.
Stop recording.
Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, the Google form questions will